Eriochilus dilatatus. Eriochilus dilatatus, commonly known as the white bunny orchid, is a plant in the orchid family Orchidaceae and is endemic to Western Australia. It is a common and widespread, slender ground orchid with a single leaf and up to 15 small white and greenish flowers with reddish or brownish markings and a hairy labellum. Description: Eriochilus dilatatus is a terrestrial, perennial, deciduous herb with an underground tuber. Plants in flower have a single, egg-shaped leaf 1575 mm 0.63 in long and 515 mm 0.20.6 in wide, and attached about halfway up the flowering stem. Plants not in flower usually have a larger leaf on a stalk 60-150 mm 26 in tall. Up to 15, usually more than 3 white and greenish flowers 12-18 mm 0.50.7 in long and 10-12 mm 0.40.5 in wide are borne on a flowering stem 103 hund. The dorsal sepal is spatula-shaped, 5-10 mm 0.20.4 in long and 2-4 mm 0.80.2 in wide. The lateral sepals are white or cream-colored, 720 mm 0.30.8 in long and 2.54 mm 0.10.2 in wide. The petals are greenish with brownish-red stripes, 5-8 mm 0.20.3 in long, about 1 mm 0.4 in wide and more or less erect. The labellum is greenish cream, 6-11 mm 0.20.4 in long and 3-5 mm 0.10.2 in wide with clusters of cream-colored to pale purple hairs and is prominently curved downwards. Flowering occurs between March and June with some subspecies flowering more prolifically after fire. Taxonomy, naming and distribution. Eriochilus dilatatus was first formally described in 1840 by John Lindley, and the description was published in a sketch of the vegetation of the Swan River colony. The specific epithet dilatatus is a Latin word meaning spread out, enlarge or extend, referring to the broad labellum and lateral sepals. There are 6 subspecies: E. dilatatus subsp. Dilatatus, which grows in shrubland and woodland in near coastal areas between Dirk Hartog Island and Israelite Bay, E. dilatatus subsp. Brevifolius, which grows in shrubland between Cataby and the Murchison River, E. dilatatus subsp. Magnus, which grows in high rainfall areas between Perth and Albany, E. dilatatus subsp. Multiflorus, found in woodland and forest between Jurien Bay and Albany, E. dilatatus subsp. Orientalis, which is only found near Kaguna, E. dilatatus subsp. Undulatus, which is the most widespread subspecies and grows in a range of habitats between Mulua and Esperance. Ecology. All bunny orchids are pollinated by small native bees, attracted to nectar at the base of the labellum. Use in horticulture. Eriochilus species are generally easily grown in pots, in a bushhouse or cool glasshouse. They need to be watered regularly when growing but kept dry when dormant during summer. References